Hey guys, so for this part of the tutorial, we'll be looking at creating shipping rates for our Shopify store. So we'll be looking at shipping and delivery to make sure that our potential customers understand or have accurate information when it comes to our shipping and how much it actually costs and how many days it actually takes for the package to reach them. So in order for us to work on shipping and delivery, we need to go on to settings. So we're going to click on settings over here, and then after that we're going to head on to shipping and delivery, which is found over here. And then as soon as we open shipping and delivery, this is basically what you're going to get. So this is general shipping rates, and that's basically what we want to work on today. So we're going to click on that, and then you're going to see that it's going to take us here. So what we want to work on again is shipping rates and where we actually deliver. So you're going to see that we have international shipping, which we do not offer for this tutorial, unfortunately. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete international shipping, because for this tutorial or the store, we do not offer any shipping. And then what we're going to have is we're going to be left with domestic shipping, which is basically South Africa only. So as you guys can see that we have standard delivery, and then standard delivery is free. So what we want to do now is we want to either delete this or edit it. And for this section, we're basically for this tutorial, we're basically going to be editing it. So we're going to click on these three lines, and then we're going to click on edit rate. And then when we click on edit rate, we're going to get this over here. So what we're going to get here is, again, this is a custom shipping rate. Now we need to give the shipping rate a name. So the name of this shipping rate is going to be standard delivery, because that is standard delivery. Again, if you are drop shipping, guys, you need to communicate with your supplier so that they could give you all the shipping information that you need. Remember that if you're drop shipping, it means that you do not keep inventory or the stock with you. So the supplier does that, and they are the ones that are responsible for sending the order or the package out to your customers. That means that they are the ones responsible for choosing courier companies. They're the ones that are going to tell you how much delivery costs, how long delivery costs, and everything else in between. So you need to speak to them before you do this over here. So as I was saying that basically this is standard delivery, and then underneath that we're going to have to give the standard delivery a description. So the description for standard delivery is going to be that delivery takes 2 to 3 working days, excluding weekends and public holidays. All right, so this is the description of the standard delivery that we offer on this store. And then this standard delivery will cost us 120 Rand. Because we'll be using Postnet or Aramax, which is 120 Rand. And then, however, this delivery, if you went onto the Shopify, onto the Postnet or Aramax website, you'll realize that they have conditions for their 120 Rand standard delivery. And those conditions are based off of the weight of the package. So all products that are 2.5 kgs and below will be 120 Rand. So again, you will only know this if your supplier has told you this information and told you the courier partners, and it's your job to go onto the courier partners website like Aramex or Postnet to find out a little bit more about their standard delivery so that you can relay that information to your potential customers. Let's say you also want to create something like overnight delivery or express delivery. So let's say you want to create something like that. Overnight delivery, again, we will click on add delivery rate, and then it's custom delivery. The custom rate name would be, let's say, overnight, if you do offer that, overnight delivery. And then you have to describe what this overnight delivery means. For available for orders made before, let's say, 9 a.m. for example, right? And then overnight delivery would be something like 200 Rand, and it's still based off of the weight of the package, which is 0 to 2.5 kgs, is going to be 200 Rand for overnight delivery. And we're going to click OK. Now we have created overnight delivery. Let's say you want to offer your potential customers delivery, free delivery for all orders above 850 Rands. So everything above 850 Rands, you'll get free delivery. So you're going to click on add rate again, and then we're going to say free delivery, right? Free delivery, and then we're going to say free delivery for the description, free delivery for all orders above 850 Rand, right? So this is going to be, the price is going to be set on 0 Rands because it's free. And then we're going to base this off of the order price, which is the minimum purchase of 850 Rand going up. So now basically if we click on done, you'll see that we have free delivery for orders 850 Rands going up. And then if those are the only delivery packages or delivery rates or delivery solutions that we have on our store, we're basically going to click on save, and then we are done with the shipping and delivery of our Shopify store.